question, if you can see, we have all the sides equal. These lines means all the sides are equal. And all the sides are equal only in square. And how we find out the area of the square? The area of the square is side into side. Side into side. Now, the side which is given here is equals to x centimeter. That means if I write down here, area of square, it will be equals to x into x. And in the question itself, the area is also given equals to 25 centimeters square. So I can write down in place of area of square, the value of 25. X into x can be written as x square. Now, if I need to find out the value of x, I will take a square root and the answer will be 5 centimeter.